Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be designing some bookmarks and I thought I could bring you guys along with me. So let's get on with the video. So I have already transferred my first original sketch onto the bookmark. Yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so now that I have done all of the bookmarks on paper, I have taken a photo of it and put it on my computer, and I am currently in Photoshop right now. And the first thing I do, I make this the background, and then I add a new layer, and I make sure that I always name my layers because I recently did a digital drawing and it didn't turn out the best because I forgot to name every single layer, so it'll make your life a lot easier. So I always do outline, and then I always just use this hard round pressure size brush in black, and then I'm just gonna go around and outline everything that I did in my multiliner. Okay, so now I have finished the outline. You can always just undo the background and then obviously you can go over what you want to fix. So I'm going to fix right here, her leg. So for the most part that's okay. Her arm is a little funky. Looks a little bit better. And now the next layer, that I like to do is her skin tone. Okay, I got a new layer, and I'm just gonna name it Skin. And then I always put it below the outline. And then I'm just going to click I on my keyboard for the eyedropper, and I'm going to go in with her skin tone. I'm going to click B for a brush, and then I can exit out of the background, and then I'm going to click soft round pressure size. Now I'm gonna see if this works. I'm gonna go to wet media brushes, and go to this wet blender. And I'm gonna go do it here. So then it kind of looks like it's kind of watercolored. And I'm going to erase the bottom and then make that the wet blender area. So then you can kind of get it on the ribbon too, so that it looks a little bit cuter. I'm gonna go with the regular brush. So then this is what it looks like. That's really it for her, and then the rest that you have to do is just redoing, touching things up what you want with it. So here with the outline, I'm gonna go to eraser. I'm gonna erase right here, so that it looks more like an actual leg is going through the dress. Okay, so I have finally completed it, as you can see. So now all I do to export it, I just go to File, and then Export, Quick Export as PNG, and then bookmark girl number 2 to my folder that I have chosen. Then I just click Save. Since it already exists, I want to replace it, so yes. And then it's saved. I can just click out, click yes, and there you go, you're all done.